Hi friends, Pamela Shepherd with Pamela Shepherd Productions here. Those of you that are new to my channel, welcome to you. I'm so glad you're here. Maybe you would like to subscribe if you like my content and everything that I do. I'm so glad to have you. And for my faithfuls that are here, oh my gosh, thank you so much. I really appreciate you, and I enjoy you and watching your videos as well. Well, today is pretty fun and exciting for me. I won, I guess basically, I don't know if it was a draw or what, but there's a new company, Marketplace, and it's in Chandler, Arizona. Okay, I was one of the persons that was picked to receive part of the content. They sent it to 2 different people, and I'm just so excited. I pulled it all open and I thought, oh, I have to wait. I have to open it up online with the channel. So here we go. There's, yeah, I ripped this whole thing off. Oh, look at their card. It's so beautiful. There's their card, Bella Vista Marketplace. Isn't that adorable? Ew, I wish that was my logo. Okay, so anyhow, I got this package, and I'm so excited. We're going to see what all I got. Sorry for the crinkly noise, and let me go back out just a little bit so you can see everything a little bit more. Isn't it weird? Every time it's like backwards, it seems to move the camera backwards to me. It's because of the screen, and I think it's because I have it upside down or something. Okay, so I'm just going to pull the whole thing out. We're going to go through it. So what I was thinking about making with my goodies is I was really considering making a Shabby Chic Christmas stocking. So, oh wow, look at this. Isn't this pretty? You see the bling bling shiny. I'm going to zoom in a little bit so you can maybe see a little bit better. It's very sparkly and very pretty. I don't know if that's going to make it a little bit too white. It's so pretty and sparkly. And there is a lot here. It's like 1, 2, 3. It's like 4 or 5 yards of this. Wow, that's awesome. And then look at this. How pretty is this lace? Isn't this gorgeous? Look at this. Isn't that pretty? Such a pretty lace. I'm not sure how to make this look so good as it is. And it's pretty, let me see how wide it is. Yeah, 2.5 inches. That is so pretty. And it's about 1.5 yards. It's over 1 yard. Wow, that's pretty. That is so fun. Then, ooh, look at this. That is fun. I'm trying to, I can't find the camera. I'm going to move the whole thing. There we go. That's a little bit better, maybe. Okay, look how pretty this is. Oh, wow. That is really pretty. And it's just this different feeling. Wow. I don't know exactly how to explain. It's just very expensive and thick and nice. Oh, and then here's some very sweet lace. Goes this way, yeah. Very sweet. You always have to have some really nice little lace. That's like 2 yards of that at least, yeah. Isn't that nice? Yeah. Okay, then, ooh, look at this. Wow, that's very different and interesting. Look at that. How cool is that? I think I might have to zoom you in on that one. That is just so, see if I can get it to focus. Look at that. Isn't that cool? And there's a good yard of that. And, ooh, this is pretty. Ooh, that's really pretty. Look at that. Oh, it's got this mesh look. And then it has like these holes up in there. I don't know which side is the right side. How cool is that? Isn't that fun? That's fun. Oh, now we're hooked on this nice cream. Oh yeah, a nice flat ribbon. I like flat ribbons. I use them on many different things. Very often I have to cut the edges off of stuff so that I have a nice flat lace. Wow. Oh gosh. Oh man. There's at least 3 or 4 yards of that. Isn't that nice? You really need that. Okay, oh, and appliques. How beautiful. Look at that. Ooh, so pretty. Such pretty appliques. So pretty. And then a smaller one. And another one. That's nice. Ooh, and this is definitely bright gold. Isn't that nice? And there's probably, we'll see, there's about, I think I'm going to say about 3/4 of a yard of that. I'm going to have to back out a little bit. And then there's an orange one. Now that's, I love this pearl drop. And you know, I never think of using orange. I love this, where it drops the pearls like that. That is so nice. And here's one that's like pearl essence, pearl of essence, if you will. How pretty is that? And pink. I love pink, and creams are my favorites, of course. Isn't that nice? And that's probably a good, you know, 3/4 of a yard or a little over a yard. Oh, look at this. Look at this. And this is elastic. Oh my word, how pretty is this? That is just beautiful. Look at that. They sell all of these beautiful things in their store online. I'll put it below. Oh, and here's a, this is a little bit different. This one's almost maybe, no, they're not quite exactly the same. This one has like pink cast in it. So pretty. But wasn't that nice and fun to get that from this really nice company? Yeah, we're gonna pull it this way. And there it is. Let me if I can find the camera. Oh boy. It's called Bella Vista Marketplace. And it's www.bellavistamarketplace.com. Isn't that nice? And there's their phone number. And Bella Vista Marketplace at gmail.com if you need to talk to them for anything. Isn't that so fun? Anyhow, thank you so much for watching, and watch a lot of my other videos, and watch for this upcoming fun Christmas shabby chic stocking. And thank you so much for watching, and don't forget to subscribe to my channel if you haven't already. And I really appreciate all you guys. This is so fun. I'm really getting close to 500 at this point, and I'm so excited about it. Oh, wait a minute. Wait. Oh my gosh, look here. Let me back out a bit. Oh. Okay, look at this. Oh, wow. Wowie. Look at this. Oh my gosh, look at this. I didn't even see this. It was over here to the side. Oh my gosh, and look how much. Oh my word. Oh my gosh, there is yards and yards of this. I don't even know how many yards. That is so way cool. I'm going to have to, you know, hold it to my nose and hold it way out. But I mean, there is a lot of lace in here. Anyhow, here's all my goodies from Bella Vista Marketplace. I'm so excited about this. I'm very excited to get started on my shabby chic stocking. And so go check these people out. Go check out their web page and order from them. I'm going to order some stuff. I can't hardly wait. So thank you so much. And Angela Holt, thank you so much. Angela is really the very first person I ever watched on YouTube for crafting. First person ever. So I will also link her down below. And Bella Vista Marketing, it's just a very nice company. And I want to thank you so much for all of these goodies. I will promise that I'll make you proud. Okay, we'll see all you good people later. Bye-bye.